Hi, it's Belinda. My Cocoa Daisy box came today, so I thought I would do an unboxing. So we'll get into it straight away. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this month, this is for June, and it's Summer Wishes is the theme. Let's have a little look at that. And it's all looks like poppies and bicycles. It's quite lovely. Okay, so this is the planner add-on kit, and this will be the pocket memory keeping kit, and this is the Daisy Day Planner kit. So I get the A5 pages, and then we have an extra washi that I got, and this is this will be the planner classified kit, and we have the sticker kit, and we also have the dashboards as well. Okay, and I did get a couple of extras. I'm not quite sure if they're in one of the other packs. I did get a glue stick, and also a second thing of the die cuts. So we'll see if they're in here somewhere. So I'll just move this aside and we'll open her up. The first thing we'll do is do the planner kit first. Got lots of nice bits and pieces. Okay, so we have the die cuts. I'll just show you the picture of those. So we'll open those up last, have a look at those. These are the little sticky notes. It's really sweet. It's actually, it says to do. Oops, to do. And a nice little pack of those. Then we have the washi. Let's have a look at the washi. Scissors. So she's really lovely. So it's the same flowers that you saw in the bike basket. It's really pretty oranges and reds. And we get some pen loops. Again, the card's really cute. So these are got adhesive on the back, so you just stick them on, and then you have a little pen loop your pen to go into. Then lovely coordinating. Pen loops, and then it looks like we've got a paper clip. What's really cute, it's like it's a little bicycle with a flower basket. made out of plastic, so it's really lovely. That. We've got notepad. It's really nice. Pretty greens and blues. Okay, we've got the pen pouch. This is lovely. It's in like a nice gingham, like a picnic blanket with a nice little crochet flower on it. Oh, it's cute. It's got like a little pull tab. It's a yellow with a white polka dot inside. It's a really nice size. So it's lovely. And then we have our papers and stickers and pages. Carefully. Okay, so first we have these are the stickers to go on the tabs. And so it's Hello June, exercise tracker, daily to do, June goals, meal planner, and a few blank ones as well. That's very nice. And we have, this is the dates and day with a few groceries, meal plan, cleaning, lots of arrows, weekend arrows. And we have the tab sticker sheet for June. Let's ride and the tabs. Get some fresh air, have a big salad, vitamin sunshine, healthy habits, follow your dreams, when in doubt, pedal it out. It's really cute. Lovely, again the gingham, which is lovely, and the poppies. And Simon makes an appearance, it's great. Okay, then we have our papers, it's really nice. Bicycle with a flower basket, and then like a confetti and coloured stripes and a nice sort of geometric diamond pattern. It's like a bit of a crosshatch in those ones, which is really nice. Oh, that's lovely. The poppies, I think they're poppies. And polka dots on a nice watercolour background. Greens and blues and yellow, a bit of orange. Then we have the bicycles, lots of different coloured baskets, some with and some without flowers, and the same sort of flowers that are in the bicycle basket. Very pretty. And then we have the reverse side. Those ones there. Then we have our pages. So the first one is for June. Then we have our weekly pages. This is a week on one page. It's really nice. Again, it's got the kind of the confetti falling in the bicycle and the reverse side. It's really pretty as well. Flowers. And then we have our weeklies, so Monday through Sunday, really nice. There'll be enough of those for each week of the month. And we have our month on 2 page. Really pretty again, and year at a glance. So already up to June, goodness, it's flying by. And then we have our daily to-dos. I'll just open that one up. So just like to track your different things every day. Hydrate, schedule, to-do list, must do, call, email, 15-minute pickup, meals, notes and ideas. Everything you need is here and now. They're your daily to-dos. So that is the planner kit.